So in this last problem, it says a softball home plate is shown on, it looks like we have a typo here, shown on. Just don't even worry about this information right here. So we're just going to cross it off. And we want to find the angle measures of angle C and angle E. So let's go ahead, we're going to highlight those angles. So angle C and angle E. Now if you have paper below you and you have this image on paper, the nice thing is you can maneuver the paper around to measure these angles. I don't, so I'm going to have to get a protractor out in just a second. But I don't really need a protractor for angle C. I can see that the measure of angle C is equivalent to, well, this symbol here is telling me it's a right angle. So therefore, it has to be equivalent to 90 degrees. Let's move on to the measure of angle E. So I can see the measure of angle E here. I'm just going to write it down and then we'll pull up a protractor. If I were to eyeball this, well, I would assume that it is about, I'm just guessing right now, angle E is about, well, it looks to be maybe about 130 to 140 degrees. So let's just write that down. It's about 130 to 140 degrees. Let's go ahead and put little degree markers down. And let's actually go ahead and get a protractor up now. Okay, so remember the first goal, we want to line up the center of the protractor with that vertex, angle E. And now I've got to rotate this image or the protractor so that the base of the protractor segment ED passes through the protractor at 0 degrees. Now let's follow around the outer edge or just the edge of this protractor. I'm at 110 degrees. I'm going to keep moving until I run into the other segment, segment AE. So segment AE passes through the protractor at 134 degrees. So I can see that the measure of angle E has got to be about 134, maybe 133 degrees. So the measure of angle E is equivalent to 130, let's say 33 to 134 degrees, which would make it an obtuse angle. Cool stuff, guys. I'll see you in another problem.